What's up YouTube? Today I got a Zippo lighter. It's pretty nice. It's satin, silver. I think that's how you say satin. But anyway, I got it from a small store in Leesburg, Georgia. It's pretty freaking small. I really don't like it, but you know, whatever. It's the only place that sells Zippos in Leesburg. But, this is what it looks like. Very, very nice. I love it. Just pop it out really easy. And it's got the little case. Pretty lightweight. Instruction book. It's like really kind of big, but you know, who reads them? Here's what you came for. The lighter. Okay. It's pretty nice. Alright. That's about it. It's, pretty good. It has the Zippo saying thing on it. And, well, that's, pretty much my little, my little review type thing of my Zippo lighter that I got. So, peace out, YouTube.